If your vehicle's paint is dull and full of swirl marks, the Wolfgang FLEX Ultimate Polishing Kit will make it easy to restore the finish. This kit includes everything you need to remove gloss-hindering imperfections, including swirl marks, water spots, holograms, oxidation, and light scratches. The FLEX XC3401 is a forced rotation dual action polisher that removes swirl marks faster than any other DA polisher available. Unlike a conventional DA polisher that features a free-floating spindle bearing assembly, the XC3401 is gear-driven, so the pad never stops rotating. Pad rotation is critical for removing swirl marks and scratches. Not only is the FLEX smooth and powerful, it's also very easy to use thanks to the user-friendly design. All switches and dials are within hand's reach, reducing fatigue during long polishing sessions. In addition to the XC3401, this kit also includes Wolfgang Uber Compound, Finishing Glaze, and Deep Gloss Paint Sealant. The first step removes the imperfections, the second step refines the surface, and the third step locks in the shine and protects the finish. Just to make it easy, we've included the proper Lake Country Hydrotech pads to use with each product. We're not joking when we say this kit includes everything you need to polish your car from start to finish. Other essential accessories include Wolfgang Polishing Pad Cleaner and Polishing Pad Conditioner, along with the foam pad conditioning brush. A couple quality microfiber towels bring the entire kit together. The best part about the kit is the fact that you save up to 40% versus purchasing everything separately.